Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on a project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VAT and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Vechain. Trezor hardware wallet introduces support for Cardano, ADA, price reacts. Crypto hardware wallet has announced support for Cardano, ADA, after many years of not supporting the digital asset. As Cardano has grown, and with the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, on the network, there has been more demand for the cryptocurrency to be added to the wallet, which is one of the most popular crypto hardware wallets in existence. The announcement had come at a time when the digital asset was in need of a boost, and it provided that. Trezor, which boasts millions of users worldwide, will bring more storage capabilities to the ADA community through this, providing a more secure and private method of storing and transacting the cryptocurrency. It comes with the latest updates to the Trezor suite that was announced earlier this week. Cardano, ADA, price reacts following the announcement of the addition of Cardano support to the Trezor hardware wallet. There had been some movement recorded by the digital asset. A very noticeable spike had occurred just after the announcement had been made public, but the digital asset found it hard to hold this point. Instead, there was a subsequent downtrend that brought the price back down. However, the momentum would prove to not be dead as the recovery would pick up the next day. By Thursday, Cardano had recovered to as high as $0.857 from its trending week low of 78 cents. After touching this point, the digital asset would return back down, only to begin trading at a higher low. It settled above $0.8 as of the early hours of Friday, and continues to trend in this region. What the indicators say, both the short and long-term forecasts for Cardano are not too positive. At the current price, the digital asset is trading well below its 50 and 100-day moving averages, a category for the next generation of the internet, which proponents think will be undergirded by blockchain networks and facilitated by cryptocurrencies. The idea is that, whereas the first stage of the internet allowed people to access information, and the second allowed them to interact with others, the third stage will decentralize the internet so that it is user-controlled. That has the potential to disrupt the previous generation of disruptors. Imagine a decentralized Twitter, for instance, that is equal parts social media company and DAO, which is a non-hierarchical organization that spreads control among participants. In such a case, the user doesn't just have access to the platform, but also has a say in shaping it, and can even profit from its success. No surprise then that Han thinks there's a need to build a different kind of firm. To create a new internet that is an improvement over our current tech paradigm is a hugely ambitious project, she wrote. It not only requires brilliant technologists to build, but also experienced operators who can responsibly shape public opinion, policy, and the broader systems that power our society, so that WEB3 can fulfill its potential. To this end, the firm said it hired a senior leadership team consisting of several crypto and fintech veterans. Sasha Ivanov, the founder of the protocol, will serve as an advisor to the firm. The launch represents a major step in Wave's plans for 2022, which the firm had announced in February. The protocol also has plans to establish a decentralized governance model and increase integration with other blockchains. Is it altcoin season? Wave's recent gains highlight the growing interest in altcoins in recent weeks. Ethereum's rising popularity ahead of its shift to a proof-of-stake model has drawn attention to several other altcoin projects. Tokens such as Terra, Luna, Cardano, ADA, and Solana, Sol, have all posted large gains in the last 2 weeks, while also attracting increased institutional interest. Sentiment towards the crypto market has also greatly improved, with Bitcoin, BTC, recently touching 2022 highs. And second news today about nifty news. Luxury brands joined Decentraland's Metaverse Fashion Week this past weekend. Decentraland hosted the Metaverse Fashion Week, or MVFW, a 4-day digital fashion event that staged wearables on virtual runways, organized discussion panels and housed shopping experiences. The lineup of both legacy luxury labels and digital brands participated, including Dolce & Gabbana, Etro, Tommy Hilfiger, Estée Lauder and Elie Saab. Meanwhile, digital native fashion houses Ouroboros, Dresses and Republic hosted immersive spaces and stores within specific fashion districts, designated by coordinates on a map. Just like New York Fashion Week where events may take place across different city boroughs, so did Decentraland's MVFW, which Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain price prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain price prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet price prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents, and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet price forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price, 29 cents level. Vet price prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain end 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain price prediction 2028. It appears that by